Unraveling the Phrase, Fettling. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive deep into a fascinating English word that might not be on your radar yet. Fettling. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of its meaning and how to use it in various contexts. The term, fettling, has its roots in the world of metallurgy. In its earliest sense, it referred to cleaning the casting from a mold, especially an iron casting in a foundry. It's the process of removing excess material and giving the product its final shape. However, over time, the term has evolved and is now used in various contexts. Today, fettling has a broader meaning. It's often used to describe adjusting or setting something up, especially machinery or equipment, to make it work efficiently. Think of it as tinkering or fine-tuning. For instance, if someone says, "I spent the morning fettling my bicycle," they mean they were adjusting and fixing it to ensure it's in the best working condition. Let's go through some sample sentences to see how fettling can be used. 1. The mechanic was busy fettling with the engine to improve its performance. 2. After hours of fettling, the old radio finally came to life. 3. Before the pottery can be painted, it needs a good fettling to smooth out the edges. Remember, fettling can be both a noun and a verb. As a noun, it refers to the material removed during the process, or the act itself. As a verb, it means the action of making these adjustments. And that wraps up our exploration of the term, fettling. Now, not only do you know its historical roots, but you're also equipped to use it in modern contexts. Keep fettling with your English language skills, and you'll continue to improve. We hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.